it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am back with my unboxing video. And this is for my June design team kit for Cheeky Studio. And so starting this month, Tuesday, the owner over at Cheeky Studio is doing something a little bit different. So rather than having a bunch of different collections released, she's basically going to have one main collection each month, and maybe a couple others here and there, but one main collection with more stuff. And so that's going to start with this month. So this is the main kit release for June. And it is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And so I am going to go ahead and go through, I believe this is just called Wishes. Yep, just the Wishes collection. And so there's all kinds of different pieces, some new, some the same as what we've had before. So I'm going to go through and kind of show you what we have. And so, as typical for Cheeky Studio, we have little tiny mini bows that will match the collection. And so these are a really great kind of purpley gingham color. Super, super fun with the bows. And then we also have the matching sequins for the collection. And this is something she's also done in the past. So this particular sequin mix has this really great kind of mint color, some purple, some clear, some white, some like pale pink. Super pretty. Super pretty. All right, so we've got those. We have the flare badges, which is very typical for these collections. And so because this has kind of this wish theme, we have the word wish. And then we have a little present, a star, a feather. Really, really cute icons here. Super, super cute flare. All right, we also have in this little pack, this is called the Wishes Accessory Pack. And these look like just some little cards, which are perfect because if you know me and my channel, you know that I love to do grid layouts. So we have things like Warmest Wishes, Never Too Old to Wish, You Are My Wish Come True, Wish, Wish, and Wish. Oh, that one's really cute. I love the scripty font. I wish nothing but the best for you. Sweet wishes. Wishing you a happy birthday. Best wishes. Best wishes to you. Oh, this is going to make this really usable for card makers too. Wishing you the best and wishes do come true. Super cute. And these would work great for like Disney princess projects. Those would be adorable too. All right, we also have, these are some cut-aparts. And these are 5x7 sheets. And so these are going to be available. So these are going to be a digital download in the shop. There are 3 sheets of them. And they are 99 cents each if you want to download and print and cut. And so we have all kinds of rectangular labels, all matching in the colors of and the icons of this collection. Then we also have a bunch of circles, which you could absolutely take your circle punch to. Smiles, happy heart, moments like these, some florals, a little adorable elephant with a birthday hat on. This little raccoon is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, and then we also have some banners that also match in all of the colors and icons of the collection. Wishes, dreams, happy birthday, some of the little icons, all in this perfect color combination. So everything is coordinating, but lots more different options and pieces to play around with this time. All right, this package is bigger than usual, like bigger in size, not necessarily in number. This is the frames and florals that go along with the Wishes collection. So I'm just going to kind of flip through and show you some great journaling spots, florals, places you could definitely do some stamping. Oh, look at this one. Oh, so cute. More florals. I love ones like this because I can add like phrase stickers or I can add something to that. So we have lots of those. And then let me get rid of that. All right, we've got some bigger florals. So these are more like kind of the bouquet florals. Ah, sticky. Let's go. Go away. Okay. So some of the bigger kind of floral arrangements that we've had in the packs before. Really, really gorgeous florals this time. And they've got those feathers mixed in. It's so unique. I love everything from Cheeky Studio because it doesn't look like anything else. It doesn't look like anybody else's stuff, and I love that. So some journaling boxes, a bunch of different frames, and I love that these aren't just rectangles. They have the beveled edges, so they're a little more fancy and decorative. Super cute. And then as always, we also have the ephemera pack, which if you know Cheeky Studio and you've bought their stuff before, you know that these packs are stuffed. There is so much, so many pieces in these packs. So there we've got a balloon. Let's see, some presents. I love how this is not a traditional birthday collection. And it's so different. It's absolutely adorable. I cannot wait to play with this collection, you guys. Some floral sprigs, some more of those feathers. There's that little adorable raccoon. Oh, more raccoons. Look how cute these are. Oh. Florals with that little elephant that I like. All kinds of floral sprigs and flowers. Oh, and we've got some of the banners. We've had those before. I love working with the banners. And I love that a lot of these are kind of neutral. So they're going to take a backseat to your photo. They're really going to be able to like enhance your photos, but not take them over. So the colors are just perfect to it's going to add to your layout rather than make it so busy that it detracts from your photos. So tons and tons and tons of little pieces. And so that is going to be the releases that I'm going to be playing with for the month of June. One bigger collection with lots more pieces rather than a bunch of little collections, which I'm actually really excited about because you have so many options with what you can create just with the goodies that are in this particular set. Do make sure you check out the links down below so you can check out Cheeky Studio, the new Wishes collection, and you can also use the code Khristina10 for a fun discount so that you can play with the same goodies that I am playing with this month. We will see you again soon.